Hello everyone, just a real quick video. John again. I've owned a Grizzly grinder, the knife making machine, for going on 20 years now, and I want to show you the first thing I'm having to do with it. I put one bearing in, said geez, I ought to make a video on that. I put one bearing in because, well, the bearings went bad in the upper pulley, and they were making this hellacious screeching sound, and it was, I mean, it's pretty bad. It got so I could make a few quick passes to take burrs off something, and that was about all I could stand. I ordered the bearings from Grizzly for, I think they were $9.50 each, and cost me about $10 shipping, so about $30. That's all I've done to this grinder as far as mechanical maintenance, beyond just cleaning it. And someday I'll show you my grinder too. It's pretty dirty. It's lived a rough life. It's been with me. It's moved, I think, 2 or 3 times with me. But for what it is, a good grinder, and I'll do a full review on it. But I just want to show you the difficulty of maintenance and replacing bearings in this thing, because, you know, it's very, very complicated. I'm obviously kidding, because if I'm doing it, it can't be that hard. Made in Saco, Maine, rawhide hammer. You can't use anything else. Get in there nice and even. There you go. Remember, only use a rawhide mallet made in Saco, Maine, or else your bearings will not go in that easily and you'll do it wrong. Done. I'm going to put that back on. I bet it runs a lot slicker. All right, guys, take care.